EAS Safer is the security of locked cabinets with the benefits of open merchandising, easy to apply and remove by detacher, which is widely seen in high-end stores and big malls to display lots of commodities such as battery, cosmetic, toothpaste, milk can, etc. EAS Safer is made of high-grade polycarbonate, provides super protection for the merchandise. Clear box allows the shoppers to easily view and purchase the merchandise. Hooks are optional for most safers, convenient for hanging merchandise on display shelf. There's a full range safer in highlight, such as all closed cigarette safer, milk can safer, 52 models in total. What's more, highlight can design and make molds as your requirement.